In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily make a post on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. Make sure you are signed into your Facebook account, and after that tap right here at the very top where it says what's on your mind. You will be taken to Create Post tool, where we got a bunch of different opportunities to create a post. So guys, first off, we can add a text. To do that, just tap right here. That will show you your keyboard, and then we can in that way enter a text. Also, if we tap at that toolbar, at that shortcuts, we'll be able to add a background for our text. If you would like to do so, you can easily do that just by tapping at that shortcuts. However, if you would like to add a text as a regular text without a background, you can easily tap at that white square to switch it to default. Then if we swipe up at that line, we'll be able to get access to some additional features, such as adding photo or video to our post. That is the first option. And if you would like to add a photo, you can easily do so. Just tap right here. That will open up your camera roll, and then if you would like to add some photo here, just check mark it. You can add multiple pictures at once. Just check mark all of them and hit at done to attach all the pictures you have selected. In the same way, you can add a video. Then also we can tag someone. To do that, tap right here at Tag People. That will show you your friends list, and then you will be able to tag some users simply by check marking them. Once you have selected all the users, tap at Done. Also, we can add feeling or activity to our post. To do that, just tap right here, and then you will be able to select a feeling from this big variety of different feelings. Also, we can search for any feeling, and also we can select any activity like drinking, why not, with friends. Now, as you can see right here, it says drinking with friends, and then after that it shows the users that I tagged before at that step. That's pretty cool feature, I think. Also, we can check in, so if we tap right here, we'll be able to add a location to our post. We can select any location from suggested, or we can search for a specific location in that way. After that, we can also use our camera to take a picture and immediately attach it to our post, and then also we can tag some event here. And on the final step, do not forget to configure these three options. The first one is privacy. On my account, it is set to only me now, so if I post this post now, it will be showing just for me. If we would like to switch it to public or friends accept or specific friends, we can easily do so right from here. Just tap at any category and then tap at Done to save it. Also, we can add our post to some album by tapping right here. I'm currently don't have an album yet on my profile, And also we can turn on or off sharing Facebook posts on Instagram. If you have your Facebook and Instagram connected to each other, you can immediately share the post from Facebook to Instagram, the same post with the same text and with the same attachments. To do that, tap right here, and as you can see, now it is showing here my Instagram profile, and by toggling on or off that button, I can enable or disable sharing my content to Instagram in this way. And basically, guys, once you are done with that, all you have to do is just tap add post to share it to your Facebook profile. After that, we can check it if we go to our Facebook profile page. Right here at the very top, we can easily find our recent post. That's how you can basically make a post on Facebook. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.